Another extremely rare find. What a beauty this is. One owner from new. What a gorgeous looking car. Mercedes E350 CDI Blue Efficiency Coupe Automatic. Iridium silver metallic. Just look at it. Absolutely stunning. A great looking 4-seater sports coupe. This is the 3-litre V6, 265 brake horsepower, 7-speed automatic. Just gleaming away. One local private owner from new, full Mercedes Benz service history, serviced every year on the button. Registered in 2012, comes with a cherished plate, so nobody would ever know it's a 2012 car. Front and rear parking sensors. This car's got £3,600 worth of factory fitted options. Massive boot on these cars. Lovely and clean. Split folding rear seats. Just drop down with those with the little levers, drop the seats down. Spare wheel, all the toolkit there complete. Part of the options is the Panoramic Sunroof and the COMAND system, which really does set this car off nicely. It is stunning. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so they are like brand new. New centre caps fitted as well. Matching tyres all the way around with plenty of tread on those. All down the sides. It is just gorgeous. Remember, this is 2012 car. We're 12 years old. Absolutely stunning. So these have just not been flashed over with a bit of paint. If you look at the back, all sandblasted. Matching Continental tyres with good tread on them all round. Front parking sensors, headlight power washers, all across the front. Very, very nice. Of course, we don't claim these cars are like new, but we do claim these are some of the best cars on the market, if not the best on the market. There'll be the odd tiny stone chip, which is just nature of cars with age and mileage, but it is absolutely outstanding all the way around. The offside front wheel and tyre. And this is why we do our very close-up videos, not just a quick swish round, but full detailed video, because we have nothing to hide. It's full transparency, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. No wasted journey. Let's take you inside it. Beautiful inside, absolutely gorgeous. Of course, pillarless doors, bit of aluminium trim there. Got electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, nice storage there. Electric seats, black Art Eco leather, sports seats with so many different adjustments there. You've got various adjustments for lumbar support, side supports. They really do make all the difference. Upholstery is in fabulous condition. As I mentioned, a proper 4-seater coupe. All the upholstery in the back is in beautiful condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All the dashboard is lovely and clean. And just look at the mileage, 40521. That's what it's done, a 40521, 2012 car. Incredibly low mileage. Nice smooth V6, and that's the COMAND package, which is the satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, CD6 changer, all in the dashboard. Nice big clear menu. So that's where all the CDs go into there. All the buttons for the radio there. Heated front seats. Dual zone climate control. Of course the Tiptronic sports gearbox. You can just slide the gears if you want to drive it like a manual. Drive mode, sport, manual on there, which lights up on the dashboard to show you which mode you're in. Eco, sport and manual. You've also got the menu in front of you, the dashboard, to show you various functions on there. So radio stations, direction of satellite navigation, onboard computer, Bluetooth phone, of course the multifunction steering wheel that controls all the computer. You've got the paddle shift gear change, cruise control and speed limiter.
BBC Radio 2.
The drive is empty.
Sometimes the voice activation just doesn't pick up the accents, so you just got to learn that. Folding mirrors and a great sound system. And of course the glass panoramic electric tilt and slide sunroof. One touch opens it up. Of course you've also got the sun blind under there. Nifty cup holders, centre armrest with USB and aux input, and plenty of storage there as well. And these are the seats that give you just that huggability. They really are great to get it just perfect with a lumbar support and things like that. So there we have it, our absolutely beautiful E-Class Coupe with just 40,500 miles, one owner, full Mercedes Benz service history, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI text and clear, part exchange all to pleasure. And if you really fancy it, hit the button and reserve it, because once it's gone, as I say, it's gone. Click and reserve 24/7 off the website. Come and view. If you feel it is not as described, full refund of your deposit, no questions asked. What we did the video is to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency and a full detailed video. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer, making buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. And these are sort of cars that we like to buy, so if you're selling something similar, please always ring us if you've got something similar to sell. That is low mileage, one owner, two owner cars with full service history. We'd love to buy those. So if you want any further information, just give us a call. It's 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent. Here to help, give us a call.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs and MOTs, Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.